वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल दैट इज सीरो स्टूडियो। आज हम एक और फूड ब्लॉग के लिए जा रहे हैं। जगह क्या है एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, कीप वॉचिंग, आई लेट यू नो, स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड कीप वॉचिंग सीरो स्टूडियो। Alright guys, here I am at Mumbai Travancore Kitchen. They are mostly specified in Chinese, Arabic and South Indian dishes. So let's have a look into this cloud kitchen. So friends, let's have a look into this cloud kitchen. Come. അപ്പോൾ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നോക്കാം നാടൻ പൊറോട്ട എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഗൈസ്, ലെറ്റ് us watch how this Kerala parotas have been made. So let's have a look. So guys, let us watch this Alfam, special Alfam, Arabic Alfam. Alfam is a very special dish made of chicken. They had this secret spices into it. So let's watch Arabic Alfam, how this Alfam prepared and grilled. So let's watch guys. Here is the chicken getting grilled with all the secret spices into this. This is how Alfam is being prepared. आपका नाम क्या है? अफजल। अफजल। तो इसमें कैसा होता है, ये कैसे बनता है ये डिश? ये गार्लिक है। गार्लिक। हाँ, गार्लिक है। हाँ हाँ। कच्चा मिर्ची है। मिर्ची है। ओके। जिंजर है। जिंजर भी है। चिकन। तो ये गार्लिक जिंजर सब मिक्स करके प्रिपेयर करते हैं? हाँ, सब मिक्स में पेस्ट करता है। ओके ओके। इसको मसाला डाला जाता है। ओके। मसाला। हाँ हाँ। क्या बोलते हैं, चिकन मसाला। ओके। ब्लैक पेपर। ब्लैक पेपर। ओके। सब 7-8 आइटम मसाला उसको डाल के बना के दही डाला जाता है। ओके। विनेगर डाला जाता है। तो दही सब डाल के इसको प्रॉपर्ली मैरिनेट करके बनाया जाता है। फिर बाद में कोयले में डाला जाता है। ओके। फिर इसको ग्रिल कर दे कोयले में डाल के। 5 मिनट में रेडी होने वाला है। ये अभी रोस्ट हो गया। ये रोस्ट हो चुका है, 5 मिनट में रेडी हो जाएगा। ओके। सो गाइस, कैन यू वॉच दिस जूसी टेस्टी Alfam? मेरे पास एक मायोनीज भी है, वो आपको मैं दिखा दूंगा। ओके ओके ओके। So guys, with this Alfam they have a combo that is what? Mayonnaise. Okay. So how is it prepared? कैसे prepare करते हैं इसको? ये होममेड यहाँ पे ही होता है, ये इधर ही प्रिपेयर होता है? आप ही बनाते हो? ओके, बोलिए। सनफ्लावर ऑयल, बाद में लहसुन, विनेगर, दूध, चीनी, नमक। ओके, ये सब डाल के आप इसको यहाँ पे ही प्रिपेयर करते हो। So guys, this is freshly made at this kitchen itself. So guys, you all must surely try this. Order online very fast Alfam with this combo of mayonnaise and kubus. So friends, right now we have very most senior master chef over here, that is Mr. Anup. So Mr. Anup is gonna show us how he will prepare chili chicken. So let's have a look guys. So guys, this is how chili chicken gets ready at MTK, that is Mumbai Travancore Kitchen. So friends, let's have a look with another dish, that is chicken nalketa. This is a very variety dish. It's not available all over in Mumbai, but surely you will get this from MTK if you all order online. So Chef Divin. So Chef Divin is preparing this chicken nalketa. Apan namku nokka. This is how chicken nalkette. In English, if I say it is like chicken with 4 knots gets ready here. So in case if you want to order this online, you can order it from MTK and have this delicious chicken with coconut milk. How this shawai is getting prepared for the parcel. So let's have a look with this shawai. तो अभी आप क्या इसको निकाल कर? निकालेगा. Okay, okay, okay. You all can have this full also, and you all can get this into pieces also. This is the whole shawai. Shawai is like the whole chicken which gets marinated and baked. अभी आप इसको पैक करोगे ना? Okay, ठीक है. So guys, it's the time for me to introduce you all the owner of the kitchen, Cloud Kitchen, Live Kitchen. That is Mr. Sajish Pillai. Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi, thanks Rosie and Cyro Studio. Thanks for being here. We have heard about Cyro Studio who is doing wonderful things all over vlogging and all that. So we also appreciate getting you here, and in a peak time, you know, Diwali is coming. So I just told you, I myself Sajish Pillai here, and I run Travancore Retails. It's a Kerala store in Powai. And apart from that, Rosie told I'm a social worker. Yeah, definitely. I'm born and brought up in Bombay at Powai, and all the time, you know, when the age of 18, I had in mind, you know, putting social activities, working for the people of Powai as well as wherever it comes. So coming to the picture, you know, due to COVID-19, there are lots of people who have lost jobs. So first venture was Travancore Retails. All the people working there have the people who have lost their job. So again, there were lots of other people who worked in hotels, good hotels like Taj Hotels, but due to COVID-19 pandemic, there are lots of chefs working for small restaurants as well as big hotels. They have lost their job. So this MTK, Mumbai Travancore Kitchen, this was the initiative with my team. I have set up this initiative that, you know, the people who have lost their job, how we will rebuild them. So this was the idea come up with me, you know, putting a live kitchen. And when we talk about live kitchen or a cloud kitchen, first thing comes in people's mind is that, you know, whenever you go to any restaurants, the name is big, but you don't know what is happening on the backside. How they cook, how they prepare, how the cleanliness, how the staffs, how their work behind the scene. So I wanted personally people to see what is happening on the live kitchen, how chefs cook for you. So we have introduced MTK, and when it comes to MTK, all the people, all the restaurants, when it comes to, you see any North Indian restaurant, they have a basic style, you know, basic style. If you say about, you know, North Indian chicken, butter chicken, here we come up very different dishes, like, you know, talking about Arabic dishes where we have shawai, we have alfam, we have kuri mandi. These are the dishes very authentic, and I tell you, these are the first time in Mumbai. So we are all the chef which I have bought it from, you know, specifically from, you know, GCC country, especially for shawai, alfam. And apart from that, you will see in our brand Indian Chinese. There are few people ask me, you know, what is Indian Chinese, Sajish? So I come up with that idea. I will tell you what is Indian Chinese. Indian Chinese means all the people who prepare Chinese, they have a basic thing of noodles and all that blah 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 stuff. But when it comes to our Indian Chinese, we have a combination of Indian ingredients with Chinese, where it is very authentic, very tasty. People are really liking it. And when it comes to South Indian food, we have a variety of South Indian food. When you talk about variety, it's really awesome. You talk about chicken pepper fry or chili chicken or chicken boneless, or there you talk about variety of biryanis, like, you know, kada biryani, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, matka biryani. People are really liking it. We as a team started at 18th October, 18th of this month, and we have already done 1,000 deliveries. People are rebooking it, pre-ordering it, and we are coming with festivals. Yesterday we had biryani festival. Next week we will be having a Sadhya festival. Apart from that, there will be Arabic festival. So all this year we will be having a festival, and I will make sure people will be getting, you know, the best food as the people who have lost their job, they are ensuring that they know what is happened to their career and life, and now they are stable and steady to win the race, and they want to give the people the best. So here Cyro Studio and Rosie are here. They are the great people who are blogging from so many 1, 2, 3 years, and they are doing a great job, and they have given us the opportunity to showcase our product in their blog. So let you come inside, I will show you the product. So I was just telling about the whatever the products we have, Shawai, Alfam. So I'm just entering into the kitchen. We are completely taken care of hygienic. You can see our kitchen. It's well equipped kitchen with quality stuff, and we want people to have very good hygiene stuff. This is a reception area where you can we can have without mask, or we can talk, or we can do whatever you want. Once we enter into the after reception area, definitely everyone have to wear the cap and wear the mask, and they have to follow the criteria, follow the rules of COVID, as well as not only COVID. If it's not there, COVID is also not there. We always wanted, because the kitchen where we should be very hygienic. So I will ask my colleague to come over here. So these are the high quality chefs. As I told you, they lost their job in pandemic, but they have worked in a 5-star hotel. I feel very bad for those people hoteliers who have lost their loss of staff. So we wish that all hoteliers will come back with this pandemic, and they will regain their firm and business again. But at the same time, these are the people who work there actually for them, have lost their jobs, and that time they have hands up, and they were run up with no money, no business, nothing. So I thought of let's rebuild them. So these are the chefs. My master chef, he was worked in a Taj hotel as a 5-star hotel, and he is the one who is preparing the food, Anup, and the main chef of ours, and all the chefs, if you see, Jibin, Dinesh, these are the people who are working under MTK. And we also take birthday parties, outdoor catering, wedding, marriage, or anything, because we ensure you the best quality, best product, and every time the best things we have to give in a very good price. Take me or trust my words. I am trusting my words. I am giving you assurance that in full Mumbai, in another 6 months down the line, you will see our outlets are coming in another specific areas. With us, with MTK, I believe Zero Studio, Rosie and their team also grow, because they are the beautiful people. They are working behind the scenes for all the hoteliers, and really good people working for all the small things. And these are the cloud kitchens, and we have coming with more innovative ideas in coming days, like Podichor. Like specifically small thing I will tell you of Podichor, because it takes you to the back roots of your Kerala, because we prepare Podichor in banana leaf, where you have 2 to 3 stuffs, like 2 type of bhajis, coconut chammandi, then nicely prepared in banana leaf and wrapped it. That is the authentic taste. You will get only authentic taste on an MTK. That's the reason we have started only 1 month, and now we are sitting at 1000 delivery within 15 days. I again tell you, thank you very much, Zero Studio and Rosie, for coming here and giving us the opportunity to showcase our brand towards you. Thank you very much from all our team. Show hands. Thank you very much. We bless you. Thank you.
So guys, in case if you want to make a payment, you can make the payment through Paytm, GPay, everything. And don't worry, I'll be sharing the link under the description box, so you all can check out my description box. So guys, as I said, MTK specialized in Arabic, Indian, Chinese and South Indian food. They are Shawai at Powai. So all centers above, you all can order this online to Swiggy, Zomato. And in case if you are at Powai, you all can reach here and get your parcel food, delicious food from MTK. So this is Rosie signing off from Zero Studio. Stay tuned and keep watching. I'll come back with more videos, more stories. Until then, bye-bye.